of people. Every Earth image of the ocean as a death trap full of coexistence, living with sharks. But conservation isn't just about laws or sanctuaries. It's also about us, how we live with sharks, how we see them. Education. The more people understand sharks, the less they fear them. Documentaries, school programs, and even social media are shifting attitudes. Responsible tourism, when done right, swimming or diving with sharks teaches respect and builds advocates. Consumer choices, avoiding shark migration, prey availability, and reproduction. The result? Some shark populations have declined by 90% in just the last 50 years. Imagine that, nearly 500 million years of survival, and done in a single human lifetime. The numbers paint a grim picture. Let's put it into perspective. An estimated 100 million sharks. They remain elegant, slow-moving kings of the open sea. Blue shark, slim, dazzlingly colored, with a metallic blue sheen that almost glows in the sunlight. When Steven Spielberg's Jaws hit theaters, it created a tidal wave of fear. Audiences screamed, beaches emptied, and sharks became public enemy number one. The problem is, Jaws wasn't just a movie, it was a cultural phenomenon. It shaped public perception of sharks. Thanks to blockbuster movies like Jaws and countless shark attack headlines, many people believe sharks actively hunt humans. The reality? Humans are not on a shark's menu. In fact, cartilage is lighter than bone, more flexible, and still incredibly strong. Imagine the tip of your nose or your ears, that's cartilage. Now, imagine an entire skeleton built out of that material. The result? A body that's agile, fast, and buoyant, perfectly suited for life in the water. Because their skeletons are lighter, sharks don't waste energy staying afloat. They can move gracefully, gliding through the water like ghosts. And when they need speed, they can twist, turn, and strike with deadly precision. When a fish struggles or thrashes in the water, sharks can sense those vibrations from miles away. It's like the ocean is a giant speaker, and sharks are tuned into the frequency of panic. Sharks are also built differently on the inside. Some species, unlike us, or most other fish, shark skeletons are made entirely responsive creatures. Many people assume that fewer sharks would mean safer oceans for humans. But in reality, removing sharks would make the oceans far more dangerous, not because of attacks, but because of ecological collapse. When shark populations decline, prey species explode in number. These prey then overconsume resources, leading to dead zones in reefs and coastal habitats. Eventually, fish stocks crash, hurting not just marine life, but also human communities that depend on fishing. In short, no sharks, no balance. No balance, no ocean as we know it. The good news? The narrative around sharks is beginning to change. The structure of marine life starts to fall apart. It's like pulling the foundation out from under a skyscraper. Instead of fearing sharks, we should be thanking them. Every healthy ocean owes its balance, at least in part, to these ancient guardians. Myth number 4. Sharks have no emotion. The third common myth is that sharks are cold, unfeeling machines. Bite from a large shark can cause serious injury, which fuels the fear. Statistically, your chances of being attacked interest. Some species display social behaviors, forming loose groups or hierarchies. Of course,